Hello viewers, in this website you can add many backlinks. I'll show you step by step how to add backlink in this website. To add backlink in this website, firstly click on sign up, then put username, email address, give username, put a strong password, repeat the password. Now check this box, I am not a robot. Check this box, I have a read and understand. Click on register. They sent a verification email, so check your email. Click on verify email and active account. Now your email is verified successfully. Now log in. Give your password. Click on login. Now scroll down. Click on my profile. Scroll down. Here you can paste your website description. This is my website description or business description. Copy your URL, website URL. Select the keyword you want to add backlink. Click on the link, then paste the URL. Now click on add link. Click on post comment. Now you can see that backlink is added here. If I click here, it will redirect to my website. Now I'll show you how to add another backlink. Click on stories, new story. Then scroll down. You can add article here, give title and add article, and you can add many backlink in this website. You can write many articles, and in the article you can add anchor backlink. Then you can click on create story. Now click on settings. Now scroll down. Here you can add another backlink. Click on add new, click on URL, paste your website URL. You can also add your Facebook URL. You can add Facebook link. Just copy it and paste your Facebook URL. You can add also your YouTube URL, Skype link. It will also boost your Facebook and YouTube ranking. You can see that backlink is added here. Click on save settings. This way you can add backlink in this website. You can add many backlink. If you write article, you can add many backlink, and if you post comment, you can add many backlink in this website. You will find more video about backlink in my YouTube channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and check other videos. Thank you guys. And